In this world of more and more automation, of more and more AI, of more and more corporate or Wall Street types trying to suck the humanity out of the delivery of what they consider a commodity, which is insurance type services, I'm here to tell you that when you find yourself in the majority, it's time to pause and reflect. If you believe that we are in a commodity business, if you believe that there is no value to the relationships, if you believe that everybody is the same, all vendors are the same in terms of providers and carriers, I'm here to say that you're already giving up the fight for the value of the career and the value of the access and expertise that you have spent years developing. It is my hope that with a little bit of time together, you'll be able to see a deeper value for what the broker does. And brokers are extremely necessary. Whenever a decision is rare for the consumer, whenever a mistake is expensive for the consumer, whenever there is expertise that is required, a broker, a noble one, can provide guidance and a clear path to what's better for the client, better for them over time than just some numbers on a spreadsheet. I hope you enjoy. And if you disagree or if you have comments, man, I'm all ears. I love to talk about our business. So if you want to talk about some small group level funding, reach out. We'll see you.